Hello everyone, I'm Abdul System Engineer Software Trend, and happy to meet you today on our workshop regarding Microsoft 365, mainly email service, and we will talk about some security features for the emails from Sophos. If you are using Sophos, is one of the best security vendors on the world. Just confirm with me if you can see the screen or if you have any issue with the screen. Okay, so we can start now. Our agenda today, we talk about the modern workplace with Microsoft 365. After that, we will talk about Microsoft Exchange Online Service. And we'll make like a demo today about Microsoft also and Sophos. So we need to focus on the practice of Microsoft and Sophos and what is the Microsoft portal can provide to you if you are using another email vendors. You can compare we can compare with Microsoft service and the other service based on what we will see today. Also, we'll talk about emails migration. If you are using another email provider, we can support with you to migrate to Microsoft 365, and we are here to help you. And we'll talk also about Microsoft 365 license. We'll talk about the packages and the current plans from Microsoft and the service plans related to the Exchange and OneDrive also. And about Sophos, we'll talk about the why your email is still the first target on for the attackers and for any attacks behaviors on the world. Also, we'll talk about how Sophos working with blocking these threats using the Sophos email product, and we will talk generally about the data protection and how you can make your end users the first layer for your defense. And we'll talk about Sophos ecosystem. Sophos is a security vendor, provide a lot of products on one central portal. So we'll take a quick view about the central portal. Okay, Microsoft is one of the top cloud providers in the world, I think. But if you see this picture, most of you already see this picture before. After the growth of the information technology on the world, after the physical documentations and all the legacy type of work, most of the company now have already data center with their servers and switches and storage. All of these solutions, all of these services is mainly hosted on your company, on your physical data center. So if you need to make any service like emails, at the first of the information technology upgrade, if you need to make any service like emails, like SharePoint or file share, you should to take the physical server and the required storage and prepare the network connection for your end users. After that, you install the operating system and install the required services on your servers. So we have a lot of headache for you as the IT department, and this option is we say it the on-site option for you. After that, the cloud providers or the technology providers have competition to provide different solutions to make your company or the required services is run and work quickly as we can. So first, we have three models here about the cloud providers. This is the most models or most known models. So of course we have a lot of models also. But first one is infrastructure as a service. The cloud provider can give you the network connectivity and the storage and the servers and the virtualization for your environment. So if you need a ready virtual machine or server with you, you just can take infrastructure as service model. So you will have public IP through this public IP or VPN connection. Through this connection, you just can to log into your server on the cloud without any required hardware on your company. You just will need network connectivity or connectivity with this cloud platform. Most of us already use this service before, I think. So if we are talking about Microsoft, we have Microsoft Azure. It's one of the top leader on this type of service. So also we have the second model is platform as a service. You have development team and you just need workflow for specific development tools. Like if he using Java or Python or type of program language, he just can take a ready platform with the runtime and the middleware programming language, and he can just run the script and the required program on this platform without any need to install the prerequisite for your server and to prepare some of headache tasks before the service is run and work with end user. At the end, we'll talk about the software as a service model. Software as a service is our main focus for today. You just take license from the cloud provider with the required service. If we talk about the email service, I need email service for some of users. I just will take license for 5 users, and once I receive it, I can create user and assign the license to these users. I think this will take some minutes only. Before the cloud solutions, you just prepare server and prepare a lot of components on your infrastructure to use like this service. Okay, Microsoft is one of the top leaders on this platform. Microsoft is not the first one, by the way, but I think is the second vendor now. So we have a good market share on this market for the cloud. I think I talk about the cloud solutions, mean infrastructure as a service or platform as a service or software as a service. We can see here quickly some of Microsoft 365 services. You just can take it from your license. Microsoft emails using my Exchange Online and online calendar. If you are using an email service and you need to set calendars for your employee or your members for your team and contacts to make easy communication, and also we have like to-do list and tasks. If you need to make like to-do list available with you on your laptop and on your PC on also on your mobile. Just sign in for your device, and you will find your to-do list shown on any device you have, because it's already a cloud service. So this make your tasks more easy. Uh, Event size for reporting, and if you are interested for reporting or prepare any marketing activities. Um, Also, we have booking service. Booking service. If you have like a hospital, and you need to make schedule for doctors, just can prepare link for booking, and any patient, anyone can reserve specific time for with this doctor. Or if you are consultant, you can prepare link to reserve any required time for you through this link, and the link will be updated with any time already taken from anyone. Teams, as you know, Skype and Teams is online chat and call system online. You can use it to collaborate or basic collaboration with your team, and you can use Teams channels to make like live chat between your team members. Also, I can use it with SharePoint also. If you are talking about SharePoint, SharePoint is a file share cloud solution replacement for the on-premises SharePoint servers and the file share topology. So you can link the Teams channels with SharePoint sites, and you can make a different of type of sites. Can make the documentation site, or if you need to make site for just announcement or any newsletters from the HR department, you can do it with SharePoint. Also, if you search about the AI tool, we have Microsoft 365 Copilot, so you can use it after the upgrade of the AI technologies on the last years. Also, as you know, forms. I think all of us know forms, and the Office package. You already have it. You can use it online, or you can use it with the desktop version. You also have activation for Office 365 desktop version, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote. Stream also using for the video streaming from Microsoft, and also have lists. You can use lists to prepare your task or your inventory with like a modern view. Loop components. If you know, sometimes you have like store, or you have like some of inventory for your company or your store. So you need to make like updated link to check if any items is increased or decreased. You can make a loop for it, and once you update the loop, you will see the updated version for the current number using loop components. You can attach this link through the email or through the Teams. So this will be a good a good solution for anyone searching for inventory analysis on your company or on your business. I think this most of the Microsoft 365 users, 365 services, and we have a lot of another service, but this I think the related service to the most collaboration service is used. Now we will talk about Exchange Online. So we will focus with my Exchange Online on the demo. So this is the portal view for the Exchange admin portal, and we will see it on our demo, and check the current features, and we'll review all the or most the features available with your Microsoft admin portal, mainly for the Exchange service. First thing you will do what you when you receive your license from Microsoft, uh, you should firstly to add your domain. So if we are talking about add domain, so let me mention some of the required records to verify your domain. First step, if you add your domain, you will receive a text record for verification. You just will take it and add this domain, this record on your DNS hoster or your DNS zone uh, to verify you are the owner for this domain. After that, you will see this screen with the main records for Microsoft service, email service. Okay, first record you can see here is MX record. MX record is responsible for the email delivery. So be careful if you need to add your MX record, because if you add your MX record, the email service will stop. If you are using this domain on another email provider, the service will be stopped, and the email service on Microsoft will be working after the DNS propagation is complete successfully. So if I need to change or check the email delivery, if I have issue with the email receive emails, first record I should to check is MX record. Second record is the CNAME record is related to the auto discover service. If you are using IMAP or POP3 email provider, you will have the IMAP configuration and the POP3 configuration, the domain name or the server, the name server for the IMAP server or the POP3 server. So also we have the port and the used protocol, and you should to configure it manually on your Outlook desktop to access the service. With Auto Discover, once you log in with your email and your password, your domain the domain will know the required email service where is this located based on the auto discover. Uh, if you have the auto discover configured correctly, once you log in, you will detect you are using Microsoft 365 and you'll log into your Microsoft service. After that, we will talk about the text record related to the SBF service. Is one of the most important records. SBF is related to protect your email from spamming. How to work? If you anyone send email from your domain, on the email header we have like uh, like a check for the SBF. SBF mean if you are sending or this email sent from your Exchange server or not. If I have your email on another email provider without text record, if I send email using your domain, after check the domain, the email header, you will find the SPF record is filled or SPF check is filled. So after some time, this will make this will make a big issue for your email deliver. So if you send another email from your real email provider and with the correct configuration for the SPF record is added on your DNS hoster or your domain hoster, you will find the SPF check on the email header is healthy or pass the SPF check. So SPF is one of the most important records because based on SPF, he can make a bad reputation for your domain, and mainly we are focused to how to secure it from the spam detections and this type of issues with your company. We have a different type of records also. We can check it from Microsoft portal. But now we also will talk about the emails migration. We have different type of migrations is based on your current email provider. So if you are using Exchange server, we can migrate from your current local Exchange server. As you know, Microsoft have updates this year about the Exchange server to be stop support and should to upgrade to Exchange Server SE. So some of organizations now have a vision to migrate to the Exchange Online to be updated and to be ready for any updates and use the current good features from Microsoft regarding the email service. If you are talking about Exchange migration, we have staged migration and cutover migration, legacy migrations type of migrations, and the remote migration is also related to the Exchange server deployment. If we are deploy a hybrid deployment between Exchange server on-premises and Microsoft Exchange Online, you can use the two organization or the two email service at the same time. You can just migrate some users to Microsoft Online and keep the other users on your Exchange server. And the remote migration type is the most suitable migration type with this situation. IMAP migration is used if you are using any IMAP email service from any email provider. So I think this the common email migration type is using with Microsoft, because most of you is maybe using cPanel or any another vendor like Zoho, like Yahoo, or any email service. So the IMAP service is working with you now. You can use this service to migrate to Microsoft 365. And by the way, Microsoft is not using the IMAP as a protocol; it's using IMAPI. So the IMAP and POP3 is a legacy protocols by Microsoft. Okay. Also, Microsoft have direct integration with Google regarding the migration steps. They have special type of migration for Google. G Suite migration. You can migrate using APIs. We can migrate your emails and your Drive data directly from Google to Microsoft. And this is the most type. This is accurate more than the IMAP migration, and more fast also. So with Google, the G Suite migration make our projects and migration projects be easy for us. Quickly, we talk about the Microsoft 365 license. As we talk about, Microsoft is a cloud provider, and Microsoft service is a cloud services. So each service has add-on license or special license for this service. Microsoft provide for you like a package or plan, include some of the required service for collaboration or for your emails. So with Microsoft 365 plans, we have a main two type of plans, is business plans and enterprise plans. Business plans is limited by 300 users, And enterprise plans, you can add unlimited number of license. So each edition here, you can just add on your Microsoft admin portal 300 maximum for each plan. You can take 300 basic, 300 standard, 300 premium license, no problem. So quickly, the difference between the three plans. For the business plans, we have basic and standard and premium. Basic have the most of the collaboration services you need for your end user, like Office Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, um, and Teams. You have option to take the plan with Teams or without Teams. Uh, Also Office, but here we are talk about Office Online. So with business standard, the main difference between them, business standard include also activation for Office desktop activation apps. So if you are if you have end users with desktop experience and you need to take the best package for him, I think with the small and medium business, the standard will be better. And if you are searching for security and advanced features from Microsoft, and we already talk about some of these features on our last webinars and our activities, you will go to business premium license. And the enterprise plans is E3 and E5. The main difference between them, enterprise plans have more than limitation for the usage and for the number of users. So if you are uh, big or enterprise company, the E3 or E5 will be better for you. So E5 include some of advanced security features, and it's not our focus for today. So after that, we'll talk about which plans include Office apps available. We talk about only one plan without Office activation or Office desktop activation, the business basic. And standard and premium and E3 and E5 already include activation for Office apps. About the storage limitation for the OneDrive, if you are using business plans include OneDrive Plan 1, and this give you 1 TB for each user. And if you need more capacity for the OneDrive, you can take OneDrive Plan 2, and the OneDrive Plan 2 already included on the enterprise plans E3 or E5. So the capacity can be increased to 5 TB, and once you use 90% from your storage, you can make requests to upgrade the current capacity. Also, we have SharePoint storage. This for the admin. By default, you have 1 TB, and for each user with business plan or enterprise plan, you will have 10 GB for each user. So the total of SharePoint capacity will be 1 TB plus 10 GB for, per user have business plan or package license. Mainly, we have two type of exchange license, plan 1 and plan 2. The difference between all the numbers related to the cost is just estimated, so it's not a reference for you. Just send to us the required prices, and we will prepare the good price for you. The difference between exchange plan 1 and exchange plan 2. Exchange plan 1 include 50 GB for each user mailbox, plus 50 GB online archive. Online archive is additional capacity for your end users. Once you have more than 40 GB, or you have you are using most of the mailbox size, you can migrate some of data to the online archive folder, and this will be a good solution for you if you have, I think, around 70 gigabyte or 80 gigabyte. And if you have or you need more capacity, you can go with Exchange Online Plan 2. Exchange Online Plan 2 give you 100 gigabyte and unlimited online archive. Also, Exchange Plan 2 include some of additional features related like litigation holding. Litigation holding, if you need to protect the deleting of items from the end user side, you can use litigation hold service. You just enable it. You can check it on the demo. And data loss prevention policies will be available with Exchange Plan 2. So Exchange Plan 2 included on the enterprise plans, and Exchange Plan 1 included on the business plans. And you can take it add-on if you need just email service for your users. You can take Exchange license. At the end, if I need to size your license, I need to know the number of users and the required features based on your technical needs and business needs. We can decide the correct license for you. So we don't have license better than another one. It's related to your business and your needs. If you need security features, this can change your expect plan. So after that, we can also provide the trials through our marketplace demo, or directly to add trials for you if you need to upgrade the license, or you need to check another license, or you are a new customer for Microsoft. We can provide good trials and BOC. Most of sell license with or common license with the business and small business is business standard, and with the large or enterprise business is the E5, because we have security requirement or complex security requirement. We can see the demo first for Microsoft 365. After that, we will start with Sophos part. My screen is displayed. Anyone confirms me? Okay, to access Microsoft 365 admin portal, can use this link, or just type admin.microsoft.com. Once you have a confirmation, you received your license. By the way, if you are a new customer, we create our marketplace first, and create for you your Microsoft admin portal, and you receive the admin credential or on your email. So just type admin.microsoft.com, and the Microsoft admin portal will open with you. So I already opened it. So if you need to confirm you have the license and receive the license, you will go to the billing. This is the dashboard, main dashboard here. And if you need to confirm you received the license, you will go to the billing and check the license. And you will find here your license and the license usage, how many licenses assigned and how many licenses available. So if you are a new customer for Microsoft, if you are already a company, so you already have your custom domain. So the first step you should to do is to verify your domain with Microsoft 365. You will go to the settings and your domains and add new domain. Type your email and Microsoft should give you the option to add the text record. We'll talk about the text record related to the email or your domain ownership verification only. So don't worry about any service you have. You just verify you are the owner for your domain with this record. Is the text record and it's shown as MS equal this number. After that, after you should to take this record and add it on your DNS zone on your domain hoster. So once you add it, just verify, and you will see the screen we have shared with you on the presentation related to the service DNS records, and you can verify it at the same time, or you can wait to migrate your data, or if you are a new customer or this new domain, just verify it directly. After we have the domain is verified, the domain will be available to be assigned to your users. So here you will create a new users. You can make one by one, and here you can assign the required domain. You can add the number of domains as you need. It's not an issue with Microsoft regarding the number of domain. You can choose here to automatically create password, or you can type your password and requires this user to change the password on the next login. After that, you will have here an option to assign the license to this user. So just select the required license for this user, and here if you need to make it admin or specific permissions, you can assign it from here. And you have create your first user. Mostly we have a bulk of users, so you have option to add bulk of users just through GUI, or using CSV file. Just download the template and fill it, or send it to your HR department to prepare it. And once you upload it here, you will assign the license, and the service will be work. You will have a PDF with or Excel with users and automatic password created. You have add your domain, and we have already the first user, and also you have you assigned the required license. So now the user is ready. But if you are you have a new domain, just verify the other records. But if you are migrating from another email provider, we can check now how we can migrate, or where we can find the migration option. So any Microsoft service, mostly you will find main admin portal for each service from Microsoft. So we need to take a look on the Exchange admin portal, and through Exchange admin portal we can manage the mailboxes and the migration for your emails. You'll go to the migration tab on the left. First thing you should to add a new endpoint. The endpoint is the source email provider or the current email provider configuration. So if you talk about any email provider, you should to check the IMAP server configuration. The IMAP server name, you can see here. If you are talking about the IMAP, the required IMAP server name or IP, and the authentication and the port and the concurrent migrations, you can keep it by default. This is to migrate the migration concurrent for your batches. So you have add your it's based on your current email provider. So if you are using IMAP server, you can configure it from here, or if you are using Google, you can find the required configuration for Google. Here you will add the global admin with the required project and import some of prerequisites from Microsoft and Google migration. We prepare it first and put it here. Once you create your first endpoint, you can add your migration batch. Here you'll find the type of migrations we talk about it. Remote and Google and IMAP. If you are talking about IMAP migration, you will select the IMAP migration, and here you will find the prerequisites for your IMAP migration. By the way, IMAP migration, the big issue with IMAP migration is required the password for each user on your current email provider. So, or generate a password for each user. So we should to prepare it first, and here we will download the CSV file with the required migration batch, includes the users and the passwords for each user. So once the batch is start to migrate your data and completed, you will have all the required data once you access the end user email. If we are talking about the monitoring or management for your email after we finalize the migration, can here check the message trace for your emails to check the mail flow. If you need to check specific email status, if any user is complaining on your company. You'll find all the mail flow here. And also if you need to create a rule to make some control or force the disclaimer for your emails or make email signature, you can make it from here. And about the mailbox, you can also check the visibility from Change Admin Portal. You can see here the usage of each mailbox, the card service, or can manage the or edit the contact or the create a new alias. Organization info delegation, you can configure some of delegations for another users. If you need another one to send emails using this email, you can make it send as delegation or send on behalf. The difference between send on behalf and send on behalf will mention who is the user using this email or send this email, and send as would display only your email without any notification or any mention for the accurate user sent by. And the read permission, you can make read permission for any user you have, and you need to access the full emails. And the user mailbox is mainly mean you have a user with mail license. But if you have user active user and no need for this mailbox for now, and you need to take this license, you can convert this mailbox to share the mailbox. And share the mailbox is the same email but without login credential. Just can access the email using the delegation. So once you convert it to share the mailbox, you can add the required delegation for you, and you can unassign the license and use it with another user. Here also you can manage the archive. We are talking about the online archive. You can manage it from here. By default, it's disabled, so you should to enable it. By default, is archiving the last anything before the last 2 years. So you can change it to the required retention policy, or you can keep it the same as the default. Litigation hold service, we already talked about it before. That to protect your email from user deleting for some items. And most of the management related to the mailbox, you can do it from here. And about the reporting and anything related to the exchange or the email service will be managed from the exchange board. Also, we talk about we have important record. We'll find it from the security portal. Can take a look also for the default security. Microsoft is using with Exchange license, or if you have email license, you will have the default Exchange Online protection. So if you need any advanced security, you should take another license for Defender for Office, or Defender, mainly Defender for Office B1 or B2. And also Microsoft Security Portal is manages a lot of service. You have Defender for Endpoint and Defender for Cloud, Defender for Office. All of these features can managed by Microsoft Security Portal. We need to take a look about the default policies. You'll have the anti-phishing and anti-spam and anti-malware policies. Safe attachment and safe links is not available with the default Exchange Online protection. So it's available with advanced license or a different license. I need to check here is a DKIM record. You can check it from here. DKIM related to the spam or the secure your email from the spam detection is like the SPF record, but is working by another way. The SPF record is check your email is sent from your public IP or your email server or not. But the DKIM is working with like make a signature for email. Any emails go through your email provider or Microsoft. So it's not just a verification for which server it sends this email, but we have now like a signature or label on each email to confirm is it sent from you or not. So most of the security vendors check the SPF and the DKIM, and this the most important records for the spam detection or the secure or for secure your email. I think this is a good overview about Microsoft 365. We can start with the Sophos board. You can see the presentation now. Okay. So now we have email service from Microsoft, and Microsoft is already have also security features for the emails, but some organizations uh, we need to take the security or the service from different vendors to take the most benefits from each vendor. So if you take about Sophos today, we will explain how your emails is the first target for all the attackers. So we need to be careful with the emails. So we'll take a quick look with Sophos. Uh, According to the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, over 90% of successful cyber attacks start with phishing your emails. So this is a bad number. So we need to focus with our email security. Um, and what's more, business email compromise tax account for nearly $3 billion in losses per year. So this is a big loss for all of the companies. So we need to make more investment on our security, especially regarding our emails. So, as Gen AI leveraged to create more phishing and BEC attacks, the threat posed by email-based attacks is only continues to grow. So, we should be ready for our organizations and be careful with any attacks. So what is Sophos vision? We'll talk about Sophos vision. Sophos seeks to deliver solutions across entire set of security use cases, ranging from proactive on the left-hand side to the reactive right-hand side. The entirety of this can be managed by you or by your partner or by Sophos through Sophos MDR. So this platform was architected as an open ecosystem, which is represented along the bottom of graphic, showcasing the ability to integrate non-Sophos tech across different domains. So we believe there is a need to secure your users and data wherever they may reside. So Microsoft is not or Sophos not just providing a special product or some type of products. Sophos have big ecosystem related to the security products, firewall, endpoint, and we'll take a look about it. As you can see here, this is most of the products provided by Sophos. We have MDR service, XDR. XDR is providing for you good visibility for your environment and manage risk and threat or orchestration security. Also, if you are talking about the endpoint, Sophos have the endpoint protection through Intercept X with the required ADR tools. It supports the devices or the end user device and servers. Also, Sophos Mobile or Sophos encryption. And if we are talking about the network security, Sophos have firewall and NDR and zero trust network because sometimes we have remote users with we need to be careful with them. So zero trust concept is working with make like health check for any device connected to your network is, or meet special profiles. Sophos also provides switches and wireless and the cloud native protection for your cloud platform if you have any cloud platform from Microsoft or another vendors. Also, we are here today to talk about email security through the email security and the mark management, and we need to focus about the user awareness. Since email can be both the starting point of an attack and part of the multi-stage attack on any step, an email security tool can't be used in this specific use. It must integrate it with other telemetry source and control points. So we are searching for ecosystem can see your endpoint logs and your emails and your firewall to check the current network to give you the good visibility for your security rate. So while Sophos email has value as a point solution, the value it can bring to your organization as a telemetry source for your MDR service or XDR platform exponentially greater for your company. So the vision for Sophos email is to optimize and operate your email with the required performance as a part of comprehensive prevention and detection and response process that can be delivered by our XDR platform from Sophos XDR and or through MDR service from Sophos MDR team. So, recognizing the importance of operations, your email security within an MDR service, Sophos Email is the only MDR optimized email security solution. So, what does this mean? This means real-time threat escalations and response. Email threats are automatically escalated to Sophos MDR analysis for more investigations and response if required, and faster containment. MDR analysis can take direct actions like isolating endpoint or blocking domains based on email threat signals. Also can make context-aware detection. Sophos email shares user and device context with MDR and XDR for deeper threat detection. Also, unified reporting, email threat data is included in MDR and XDR dashboards for full visibility across attack surfaces. Sophos emails exclusive advantage. No other email security solutions is built from the ground up to work with 24/7 managed detection and response service. Sophos email. Sophos email use cases. Sophos email is built to address the most critical challenges organizations face with email security. So it's stops phishing and BC attacks before they reach users by combining advanced threat protection with sender authentication and content analysis. As the only MDR optimized email security solution, Sophos email empowers Sophos MDR analysis to take immediate action on critical email threats. Also recognizing the end emails if you are using Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. Sophos Direct integrated with them. Sophos email enhanced your existing email platform with additional layers of protection and simplified management. Finally, Sophos email increase visibility across your security ecosystem by integrating with Sophos XDR, enabling faster, more informed threat response. Okay. Sophos email uses advanced AI to stop threat before they reach your user. So time of click protection ensures that even if a link looks safe when scanned, it's reevaluated as the moment a user click on it, checking for reputation, phishing indicators, and more. Uh, so once the user is click your email, we also have another detection for this activity or this behavior from any link on your end user and the natural language processing. Okay, analysis emails content for signs of social engineering, scanning subject lines, body text, and headers using global language models. Okay, also, Sophos use multiple models to detect spoofing attempts, whether it's VIP impersonation, brand, or in domain suspicious for with your company. Also, the intelligent uh, property like anti-spam technologies with real-time threat intelligence and deep file analysis through Sophos, and this give you a layered like AI-driven protection against even the most of the email attacks. Now we'll talk about the human lead. So what exactly does it mean to be the only MDR optimized email security solution? When compared to third-party solutions, Sophos email reports variety of event detection to Sophos MDR. Most Sophos email enables the Sophos MDR team to take actions on your behalf during critical moments. Sophos email native integrated into Sophos MDR also uh, to cost saving without any loss for your data or your time or your production. So we have a good platform. We'll talk about it about the user behavior or the user awareness. So here we can find what the enhanced we can take from Sophos. Sophos views the email security functionality available as part of Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace as something that should be enhanced as what is available in the base of license maybe is not enough for you. Sophos email layer on top of the investment to increase your security, whether you're looking for admin friendly or security or user guidance of benefits. Sophos email adds to your existing investment to better position and your organization for more productivity and more security. Sophos email delivery is, as you can see here, is a focus on a different layer. So Sophos email delivery all-in-one protection that focus on your email filtering. Start with robust here. So email filtering is this first step. Using reputation checks, sender authentication, and advanced anomaly detection to block spam, malware, and suspicious senders before they reach your inbox. After that, we have also the deep analysis powered by AI and machine learning models inspects message content and behavior for hidden threats. Another layer is related to the advanced threats. Sophos email defends against phishing, BEC, QR code attacks, and more using tools like Sophos Intellex and time of click protection and post delivery remediation. It's also include information protection features like DLP and encryption to safeguard sensitive data. DLP filter inbound and outbound messages for specific file types and keywords in email subjects, line, message content, and file names. And the encryption converting standard email into an encrypted PDF with attachments sent direct to the recipient's inbox with secure reply portal. And finally, it's integrated with Sophos MDR and XDR, giving your security team or enhanced visibility and control across your entire environment. The Sophos email team continuously rolls out new features to improve the security and experience of Sophos email customers. Several of these new features include uh, on-demand clawback while Sophos email take care of malicious emails. There is a need to remove non-malicious emails from mailboxes. This used to be time consuming task, but with on-demand clawback, admins can remove messages with the click of a button. When you claw back, we ask if you would like to report Sophos Labs or not. Um, Also, other features country of origin protection, language filtering. This update allow admins to block inbound messages from geographies and the languages they specify, which is a great way to restrict unwanted mail from entering mailboxes. Also, we have BC notifications notifies you of attacks such as account compromise, allowing you to communicate more quickly in response to account takeover attacks uh, and MFR tamper protection alert in mail flow mode. If an admin makes configuration changes internally or uninternally, directly in Microsoft connectors or mail flow rules. Sophos email triggers an alert warning the admin with the message filtering and delivery may be impacted. These are just a few of many features Sophos email team has released. And you can expect more every month as ruling released schedule always has more in store for you. We'll talk about the Sophos email monitoring system (EMS). What does Sophos email or Sophos EMS allow to do? Reveal attacks targeting your employees' inboxes, easily existing investment, and see threats otherwise miss those plus 20 machine learning models, including natural language processing. Uh, Also, deepen the availability provided to Sophos MDR and Sophos XDR. Human lead response to critical email events and provides the Sophos MDR team with the control needed to respond to critical email security events. So you don't have to remediate missed emails threats. Sophos EMS manually clawback functionality enables enables administrators and threat hunters. Okay. Cycle, we can talk go through the second topic because we don't have a lot of time. Sophos Demarc Manager is one of the available features with Sophos. So DMARC is a critical email authentication protocol that protect your domain from spoofing, phishing, and business email compromise. It's now a global standard enforced by major email providers like Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo, and backed by governments and the organization. But while DMARC is essential for brand reputation, email deliverability and trust implementing and maintaining it can be complex with you. So Sophos DMARC Manager is a powerful new solution that simplifies the process of achieving and maintaining DMARC compliance for your organization. Also, it improve the delivery of your emails and defense against the malicious use of your domain in spoofing and from the attacks, key threats in today's email landscape. DMARC Manager also is fully integrated with Sophos Email and Sophos EMS for seamless deployment and management. Also, once implemented, DMARC Manager provides a DMARC compliance certificate which can be shared with partners, stakeholders, and cyber security providers. So, what is next? Sophos DMARC Manager makes it easy to secure your domain against spoofing and the current attacks. The process starts by activating the tool and gathering data on all services, sending email from your domain, whether they be authorized or unauthorized. Next, you analyze the reports to identify which senders are trusted or not. Then you configure those emails source to authenticate properly using SPF and DKIM, and we already talked about it before. So once that's done, you have achieved the DMARC success. Ensuring your domain is protected and your emails are trusted. DMARC compliance is a continual process, so while compliance needs to be continually managed. Sophos DMARC Manager is control and makes the process more easy. Okay, we will talk quickly about the Sophos page threat. Email-based attacks are ultimately only if effective as long humans are fooled into engaging with malicious content. Sophos Fish Threat is a powerful phishing simulation and training platform that helps organizations build more security-aware workforce. With Sophos Fish Threats target training based on user behavior, you can strengthen your organizations overall, uh, your users email-based attack and reduce like uh, likelihood of success breaches caused by a human error. With Sophos Fish Threat, you get a powerful phishing simulation and the training tools that seamlessly integrated into the broader Sophos cybersecurity ecosystem. It's all managed from a single centralized console, Sophos Central email, endpoint, MDR, network, and the cloud security, making administration simple and efficient. We'll take a look on the portal about this point. And at of the end, while it's common for vendors to speak highly for their own product, we believe it is important to to explain the value we provide with third-party support for your current email provider, or if you are talking about Microsoft. In this evaluation of 14 vendors, Sophos achieved product leadership, market leadership, and was named a market champion. As shown by the graphic to the right, Sophos was one of the only 4 vendors named as a market champion in the evaluation. This indicates that a vendor is a leader across both product and market categories. This outcome is a formal acknowledgement by trusted third party in cybersecurity research that Sophos email security capabilities and the market execution are among the strongest in the email security market. Also, over the 16-day evaluation that involved uh, more than a lot of companies or malicious and spam related emails, Sophos achieved a perfect malware catch rate, 0 false positive, and this result validate Sophos email as a highly effective and reliable solution for protecting organizations against email-borne threats. So that's the end, and we can take a look or a quick look about Sophos Central Portal.
I will allow the mics right now, so if anyone wants to ask a question, you can open your mic and ask.
Yes, sure. By the way, this is Sophos Central Portal. Here you'll find all products from Sophos from one place. If we talk about the emails, under products, you'll find your email protection part. Here you can check your email security. From settings, you can start the configuration related to the like Microsoft 365 integration and domain integration, or add your domain. Here you'll find the DMARC manager. We'll talk about it. Then the required reports will be here. And here you'll find the policies. You have main type of policies, data control and email security. To make the integration, you should to import the users and assign the license to these users and the required policy. And the direct integration will make the configuration will easy with you. And we are here to support you if you are interested to migrate from any email provider to Microsoft 365. And if you already have Microsoft 365 and you are looking for email security deployment, we can go with trial or POC with your environment with this solution. At the end here, you'll find fish threat bar. Here you can create required campaigns for the training or users awareness to start the training and the evaluation for your current users. Okay, maybe network issue on my device. So this is the dashboard for first rate. You can for on campaigns you will find the configuration for the evaluation and the training buses for each user. So this is the end. Anyone have any question? And I will happy to hear you. And we are interested to have one-to-one meeting and discuss with you any requirement or if you have any special needs related to security or Microsoft. We are interested and we are happy to help you to achieve your target and optimize your current environment.